just be. Don't take it. Take it, just don't be. And live my life. Don't take it personal. I ain't lying. I ain't hiding. I've been grinding, multiplying. I've been trying to get my weight up, staying prayed up, meditating and taking time away. You always posting up pictures, trying to look like you winning. I'm writing rhymes in the kitchen, soaking in moments we live in. Yeah, you got the nerve to be on me, faking your life for the IG. If you got my number, don't add me, cause baby, I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus.
So I wanted to show you guys some things that I picked up from Walmart for fall decor. So I've been like buying little things, like maybe not a lot of items, just like maybe one or two over the last couple of years. And I currently have a stash of the things that I bought mostly the year before. Like, I still don't have a lot of fall decor things. I have some things that I had bought 2 years ago when I had like a $20 haul in Dollar Tree. And then last year I bought maybe 2 things. But I decided that I wanted to pick up a few things this year, and I wanted to keep, so like I don't do like a ton of fall decorations right now just because I don't have the space and I don't want more things that I have to store. But I did want to do some decorating, and I wanted to go with a lighter theme this year so that I can have more base, more like neutral things that I can accentuate. So anyway, I'm rambling, but so look at these stems. You can see they're fall color, but they've got the cream, and they're lighter. They're not like the orange foliage really, and they have some acorns on them and a pumpkin. Well, pumpkins, cream pumpkin and a sort of orange pumpkin, but it's really cream and like these beige colored foliage. And I picked up 1, 2, 3, 4 of these because I'm hoping to get like 2 bouquets, and I thought that was enough. And I also got these, like, I guess faux pampas they're supposed to be, and they've got like the same color scheme going on, but these ones have a little bit of sage green, and I got 2 of these to add them to the foliages that I just showed you. I also got this bouquet of, it's got a pumpkin, flowers, some green and orange foliage, but it's still in keeping with the lighter, more cream colors. So I'm not opposed to these ones being in there. I have a ton of cream and beige blankets and pillows, and so I'm not looking to buy any more pillows. Maybe I'll buy some pillow covers, but that's it. And then there's this cute little hello fall sign. Yay! I really like this. This is just something that I'm going to sit on the countertop. I really have, like, I have an idea. I just want to put out my pumpkins and my bouquets and my blankets and my cushions, and that's pretty much the extent of the decor, because like I said, I don't want to have like a ton of stuff. I got this glass pumpkin. I wanted to get more of these, but I had to tell myself, like, not a lot of stuff, Shan, not a lot of stuff. So I got one of these. This stacked pumpkin, I also wanted to get more of these, but again, not a lot of stuff, Shan. And these are pretty. They feel like foam, so they're pretty light. You could probably blow them over. But they're really cute. I thought they were really cute. There's also these pumpkins here. Cream color. They're like, I don't know if you'll be able to see the texture when I put it up, but like, and these are like $1 something each. I got 2 of these. Where are the brown ones? Didn't I buy 2 brown ones? I'm fairly certain I got some dark brown ones that are cone colored. Like, this is a cone that I guess fell off of one of the foliage stalks. I think I got some brown ones of these. I'm not crazy. So I have fall scented candles and things like that. And like I said, other than this, I'm probably only going to get like maybe 2 or 4 pillow cases, like pillow covers, because I already have a ton of cushions. So I just wanted to show y'all that real quick. I don't know when I'll be putting these out, but hopefully in the next few weeks. I've really fallen in love with fall, and I really wanted to take my time with the decor. My issue right now is just space for storage. I don't have it. So yeah, tell me what you're doing, if you're doing any kind of decor for fall, particularly if you're an immigrant. Like, is that your thing? Are you getting into it? What are you doing? Let me know. Y'all, I was trying to use my back camera so that I get better video for y'all, but the exact reason I don't normally use my back camera happened, which is that I end up talking to myself and the phone is not recording. So anyway, I was saying that today's some of them look good. They're not. How do I look so? Alright, this is better. This is better. Okay, so the exact reason I don't normally use my back camera is what happened just now, which is that when I talk to myself and the phone about the record, the camera down is stressed there. So just have to continue getting the front camera and video them. It is what it is. So it's my day off and I'm going to run. Oh shit, I shouldn't have gotten my wedding ring. This is my alternate. My rings need to be cleaned, which is why I've been wearing this one all the time. Oh, should I go back for it? Maybe we could do that tomorrow. I definitely need to get them cleaned. These are so big, I have to take them off all the time. And I don't like that. My hand feels naked. I don't like. I want my rings back. So anyway, they need to be clean because they were starting a little thing under my finger. Like, I don't get them professionally cleaned often, and so I was trying to clean them by myself, but it's already lost a stone and I don't want to do that, so I just haven't tried to clean them myself. I'm gonna take them to the jewelers. Yeah, I'm heading to the recycle place because we have too much recycling. I don't have anywhere to keep it but my kitchen, and it's pissing me off. Like, when it piles up, it pisses me off. So I'm gonna go there, and then maybe a trip to Superstore. We need a Costco run, but that's also something we could probably do tomorrow or Sunday. Yeah, so maybe I'll take y'all with me, but I'm heading out for my day off, some errands.
Don't take it personal, I ain't lying, I ain't hiding, I've been grinding, multiplying. I've been trying to get my weight up, staying prayed up, meditating and taking time away. You always posting up pictures, trying to look like you winning. I'm writing rhymes in the kitchen, soaking in moments we live in, yeah. You got the nerve to be on me, faking your life for the IG. If you got my number, don't add me, cause baby, I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. baby, don't check for me. Taking time out to be and live my life off screen. Taking time out to be and live my life. Hey. Taking just don't be and live my life. Don't take it personal. We just building. It's my season. Lay foundation. Make a name for generations. Please and make a and take a break or a little vacation and chasing blues away. Hey, hey. You always posting up pictures, trying to look like you winning or look like you always be working. Soaking the moments you live in. Yeah, you got the nerve to be on me, faking your life for the IG. If you got my number, don't add me, 'cause baby